How's it going, everyone? Today's video, doing a little bit of an upgrade. Now, you guys know, if you've been following my channel, I've been dealing with the P2800 code and done about everything, checked about everything except for, well, now injectors. It's assumed that one of my injectors on this side is clogged or dirty. I've already tried to run like 3 bottles of injector cleaner through them. Nothing's worked. So now we're going to be installing these OEM R35 GTR injectors. So I'll just show you guys. I didn't show you guys how to take off the intake manifold because that should be easy and self-explanatory, but I'll show you how to take the fuel rails off, to pop them out and get the old injectors out and replace them with new ones. Now, of course, I'm not going to be running these or starting my car without getting my tune updated for these, because these are 550cc, I believe. The plan is that after I'm done installing them, I'm going to message Lipmo Tuning, and he's going to send me over a map in order to run these, you know, safely and not mess up my car. So, let's get to the install. First, once you get it down to this, you have 4 12mm bolts here, 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 and here. So we're going to take those off and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so after doing those 4 bolts, which, like I said, 2 here, 2 here, you just want to grab each side of the fuel rail, and from what I watched on other YouTube videos, you just wiggle it back and forth and pull up and the injectors should just pop out. So we're going to try this. It's harder than I thought. Oh, damn. This makes me feel like shit because the one guy did it with one hand. Then again, I think he already had it off, but Jesus. Let's try it with one hand. I'm bent over so much that I don't have leverage. It sounded kind of gay. Oh, there we go.
What if I just got it off with one hand?
I'd be a little upset. All right, injectors are out. They look, oh my God, they look so bad. I can already tell from here, they're like disgusting. Okay, so once you take those off, all you do is you take the little harness off, that clips off, and then there's a little metal clip here that I think just slides on and off in order to take the actual injector out. I'm gonna do them one by one so there's no possible way of messing anything up, which honestly, I suggest you guys do that with like coil packs and spark plugs. Yeah, it takes a little more time, but you'll know that you did it right and you're not going to mess anything up. Now, I took this off just to get them off, but I'm about to go eat dinner, so I'll be back with, I'll probably show you guys just one clip of me doing the one injector. I'm not going to do all 6 because he wants to watch that. And we'll come back when it's all installed, and hopefully I'll get the tune sent over from Lipmo Tuning and get her started. Hopefully it fixes it. If not, if this doesn't fix my problem, next on the list is new fuel pump, which I'm gonna go with the AEM 320 fuel pump, E85 compatible, which is good because just a couple minutes down from me, a new gas station with E85 just opened, and I actually bought a tester in the mail. I'm going to test it today to see what it tests at. And we're going to E85. We're just going to send it. That's the plan. See you guys. And, well, for you guys a second. Alright, so I got the first injector on. And it's actually pretty easy. All you do is, there's these little clips right here that hold, well, first you have to, you know, pop the connector off. Then this little piece will be in here. All you do is just grab 2 hands, spread this apart, and it comes right out. It is pretty simple. Don't think that, you know, it's super tight on there because it's actually really not. Like, I was kind of playing with this for a while because I thought this was way too easy to come off, but that's just how it is. Like, you can kind of wiggle it, but you really have to open it up in order to pull this off. So I got this first one on. Now I'm about to take this one off and I'll be able to compare it for you guys here in a second. Alright, so I'm going to pull these out into the sunlight so you guys can actually see the difference. Alright, so here's the OEM. I mean, size-wise, they're pretty much the same. Not really a huge difference, but if you were to flip this over, hold on. Okay, so here's the bottom of the OEM one. Try and hold it still. I don't know if you guys can see those little dots. That's where your fuel comes out of. So that's the OEM one. There's only like 4. But here are the ones on the GTR injectors. You can see how many more, I don't know if it'll focus, but you can see how many more holes there are for the fuel to come out of. So yeah. I've already got the front 2, got 4 more to go. Hopefully no leaks. Now I am waiting till the very end. I'm gonna put, they supply grease to put, I'm pretty sure it's on these O-rings towards the bottom. So I'm gonna add all that to the injectors. I really hope it's going to the bottoms. I don't know if they're supposed to go at the tops also. I'm not really sure. I guess we'll find out. I might have already screwed up. Well, it's the next day because I ran out of daylight and you wouldn't be able to see anything on camera. So all the injectors are in. I did end up pulling these 2 front ones back out to put grease on the top O-rings. So grease is on the top and bottom. After I got done with installing everything, I put the key in my car to turn everything, to not turn the car on to where the engine's running, but turn it on to where it can pressurize the system back up to check for leaks, and luckily no leaks. So first time installing injectors went pretty well, pretty happy. Now I'm going to reinstall everything back, the you know, gasket intake plenum, and I didn't do it the first time when I installed the kinetics. Over there, but I have this Motordyne Aramid. I think that's how you spell it or say it. Aramid, Aramid, whatever. You can see it right here. This. I will be installing this. It goes right there, or maybe I think it goes that way. I don't know. I'll figure it out which way it goes. But basically, to install this, you're going to want to put some oil on this underside of whichever side it is. I guess that helps with sealing it. So I'm pretty sure I have some leftover oil somewhere. I will do that. Well, first, you know, pull out all the paper towels. So yeah, we'll do that. Then I'm going to put, I don't have any Loctite, so I'm going to put a little gasket maker on each of these bolts for the kinetics plenum when they screw back in, so none of it will come loose due to vibrations. And I'll upload a new tune and then start her up. So I'm just gonna install everything back, and I'll see you guys in the car when I upload the new tune. All right, now we're in my car. I'm not really sure how well you guys can see the computer screen, but I'm on ROM editor right now on uprev flash tune file. Okay, now we'll search for the tune, which is this one right here, Philip LMT bass tune 4-inch GTR injectors. Click that. Click open. Do you want to reflash the ECU? Okay. Yes. Fans kick on. You could probably hear them. Now guys, I do recommend that your battery is in good condition or good standing, good charge, because if something were to happen while you're uploading this tune, it would break your ECU. Please turn off vehicle. Okay. It says please turn off vehicle. Still says please turn off vehicle. Please turn engine on. Do not start. Okay. So yeah, make sure your battery's good. Honestly, I should replace mine because my car sat for those 6 months and it was hard to start at the beginning. Reflash complete. Okay. Searching for ECU. Searching for ECU. Come on. Come on. So yeah, make sure you have a good battery. I'm probably going to be replacing mine here soon because it is kind of nerve-wracking. I mean, my car starts up right away every time with no problems. So that's why my battery is, I don't think is bad, but you know, if you guys are questioning it, just go ahead and replace it because the last thing you want to do is be replacing an ECU. All right, so we're going to check trouble codes again to hopefully maybe this time I can clear them. No codes found. Yay! All right, so now we're gonna start the car up and see how it goes. Why am I so nervous? Fuck. Okay. Well, that one wasn't good. Well, it starts. I guess that's good. We can look if we see any leaks. I don't see anything. I think we're good. Woo! No check engine light. That's good. So I'm just gonna let it idle just for another more minutes, and then I am gonna be taking it out later tonight when it gets cooler outside to do some logging. I'll probably just do it after I'm done with the gym. So since it will be nighttime, then I probably won't record the logging itself because you guys won't be able to see it. But she's running good. I'm happy. And get ready for E85. So I hope you guys liked that video of this long video at this point, I think, of installing GTR injectors. Hope you learned something. Hope I gave some good tips. If you guys have any more tips or tricks of your own, put them in the comments so if future people watch this video, you know, they can get more help. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.